Let's see step by step how you do graphic design through TipTop Agency can get its management. First of all, a favorite texture background JPG is taken. On top of that, a bright gradient color is taken along with a circle and a student JPG. It is taken, then the JPG is sized as required. The JPG is made to circle a clipping marks. Then duplicate the JPG and bring it to the same size and same place as the previous JPG. The JPG has been properly adjusted by cutting the unnecessary parts. Then after reducing the color change and opacity of the background, a little adjustment in JPG, and drop shadow is given. The layers are enlarged with together.
Then text through appropriate font, style, and color in design, sorting and highlighting recommend words. Our video ends here. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe.